In a world unseen, beneath our very feet, lies a kingdom of intricate tunnels and glowing chambers. This is the city of the ants, a society built on discipline and unity. Here, life hums with purpose, from the tireless workers to the elite guards with their formidable mandibles. At the heart of it all reigns a queen, her presence a beacon of calm authority, her subtle golden markings a symbol of her regal duty. She is the mother of the colony, the architect of their future, the keeper of their legacy. But tranquility is a fragile thing. A tremor shakes the earth, not from a distant storm, but from something far more immediate, far more terrifying. Dust rains from the tunnel ceilings. Panic, a scent carried on the air, ripples through the colony. Above, a shadow falls, the long probing snout of a giant anteater, a force of nature here to claim its due. The ground shudders as its powerful claws tear into the soil, breaching the outer walls of their sanctuary. While chaos erupts, the queen remains steadfast. She will not abandon her people. Her duty is here with them. She rallies her elite guards, their dark brown exoskeletons forming a disciplined line against the encroaching dread. With swift, decisive commands carried on pheromone trails, she orchestrates the evacuation. Workers scramble, carrying the soft, pale larvae, the colony's future, to safer depths. They create decoy lines and collapsible choke points, a desperate strategy against an unstoppable foe. The anteater's massive tongue lashes through the breached chambers. The sounds are deafening earth rumbling, mandibles clicking, the terrifying snorts of the predator echoing through the network. Tunnels collapse, sacrifices are made, but the queen's resolve never wavers. As the beast closes in on the main nursery, she makes a choice born of love and courage. In a final, heroic act, she draws its attention. She leads the predator away from her escaping colony, down a path of unstable, treacherous tunnels. It is a one-way journey. She knows this. With a last, silent farewell to the people she saved, she accepts her fate as the earth gives way, sealing the passage behind her forever. In the aftermath, the survivors gather. They rebuild their home, their unity forged stronger in the crucible of loss. In the heart of their new city, a single glowing crystal is raised, a silent, eternal memorial to the brave ant queen who gave everything so that her kingdom might live on. Her sacrifice becomes their founding legend, a story of courage that will echo for generations.